Good morning students, my name is Ajay Pal Singh. So today I am sharing with you experiment number 3 of electrical machine 2 lab. Name of experiment is to study and perform load test on 3-phase induction motor. So in order to perform the load test on 3-phase induction motor, we require one 3-phase induction motor, indicating instruments like voltmeter, current meter to observe the readings. A starter is used to start the motor. So in order to study the connection setup of experiments, students are required to follow my previous 2 videos for complete setups. So in this experiment, so first switch on the supply, then observe the readings. Supply is 3-phase supply, the voltage is 3-phase voltage, and in this case a multimeter is used to observe the value of current, and current is 2.4 ampere. Okay, so in this case the load on 3-phase induction motor is negligible load. So further increase the density of load. So say I increase the density of load. So in this case, let us consider the load on 3-phase induction motor is approximately equal to 1 kg. So in this case, the value of current is 2.4 or 2.5 ampere. Increase the value of load, increase the density of load into small steps. So let us consider the load is approximately 2 kg. So in this case the current is 2.7 ampere. So similarly, step by step increase the density of load. So let us consider its value is 4 kg. So for 4 kg the value of current is 3.0 ampere. So this process is continuously occurred. Increase the density of load into small steps. Okay, next case is for 5 kg load, current is 3.3 ampere. So in the experiment it is observed that if you increase the density of load, current in a circuit is increases. Okay, students are required to prepare 1-page report for the experiment to perform load test on 3-phase induction motor. Okay, thank you.